All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're in La Fortuna. This is La Fortuna. We're going from the Pacific coast to the Caribbean coast. This is what this trip is all about. So I stayed here in La Fortuna last night. Show you guys the accommodations. Maybe we'll walk out to the street. This is where I stayed. This was like about $40 US. Not bad. Not bad. Just outside of downtown La Fortuna. We got bedroom 1, bedroom 2. We've got a kitchenette, I think it would be called. We've got a little bit of a bathroom situation, piping hot water, love it. You got a little cleaning area right here. Very cool, very cool. So I just booked this last night on Airbnb when I was rolling through. You can check, I got a video in last night of La Fortuna, the night walk. We also got some drone footage. The volcano is actually right over there. And it's cloud covered right now, so not going to put the drone up again and check it. But this is a pretty good spot, big secure parking, and it's right on the outside of La Fortuna. So you can see here. We'll walk up to the street here, just have a look-see. So guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. As always, leave a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Say hello. Let me know when you're coming to Costa Rica, where you're going. If you have any ideas for me to go places, try to get them in on the trips around the country here. And check the Amazon store for the stuff that I find useful, like the backpack I'm wearing, like the battery pack that I use to keep all my stuff charged. It's important around here. If you go on these trips, you're going to be filming a lot. Bring a battery charger. It's not a bad idea. Now, this is also a reconnaissance mission for coffee. We need coffee. So this road here goes to Nuevo Arnal. So we've gone down there before. I think we have some videos actually of driving on this road. You can see it's well paved all the way along. The volcano is actually just right in behind those clouds there, so you won't be able to see it. But there are hot springs down here. Nuevo Arnal is down that way. So you can actually take this route to get back to the Liberia airport. That's where I would go probably if I was heading that way. Unless I wanted to go to Rio Celeste, in which case I'd go back through La Fortuna and then go up to the highway and come back around. So we have videos of that actually in this series. What's up here? What is this D-ball? They sell D-ball? I like it. So guys, we're going to continue this trip off to, where are we going? The Caribbean side. Yeah, I haven't had my coffee yet, so I'm still a little bit absent words. So this is the road. Well, I'll put the camera on the phone mount in the car when we're driving. I'll show you guys some footage of driving through La Fortuna as well. Oh, here's a pin of dirty. Okay, so this is where we're getting coffee. So let's continue this trip out to the Caribbean. So right up here on the left, looks like there's a sloth park. That's pretty cool. You can check that out. Pretty close to town. Got coffee here at this El Corral Steakhouse on the left. There's a canopy thing over on the right. Lots of canopy stuff around here. You can do like, what's it called? The, thing where you hang in the canopy. Maxi Pali right here on the left. So that's a big grocery store. That's good to know if you're coming through La Fortuna. Where's the big grocery stores? And then we start getting into the town itself, and this is where all the restaurants are. Lots of shops around here. I'm curious to see what it looks like in the morning, how busy it is. Very nice, very nice. And then this area right up here, last night was pretty busy. So a lot of these bars and restaurants, some had live music going on. Oh, there's massages on the left. 35 bucks for a massage. That's not bad. I need a massage. But that's not the goal. The goal today is to get to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica. I haven't been there yet. This is the first. So I'm curious to see how long the trip is too. How the roads are, everything like that. We'll film all the way along. I'll show you guys some. If I see anything, I'll jump out and take a look. And then this is kind of the proper downtown. You'll see off on the left here, there is the church. And I actually don't, I think there's like a one-way street. I might have to turn somewhere. I might actually have to turn right here. I think that's the play, yeah. Because it turns into a one-way street. So we got to go this way. That's cool though. See a bit more of La Fortuna. All kinds of bars around here too, and like hostels and stuff like that. Yeah, and then this is the way out of town. So we'll just drive through town here. Try to slow it down a bit so everybody can see. And I wonder where the farmer's market is in La Fortuna. I haven't been there. And I don't know what day it's on. I wanted to come here one day for it, but I didn't know what day it was. It might even be today. I might have driven by it. Who knows? So here's the Central Park. So yesterday we walked through there at night. All the Christmas decorations were lit up. It was really nice. See a lot of ample parking around here, and there's still security guards out. So the municipality, I guess, has security guards just wandering around the park, making sure everything's clean and safe. And then this is the route we're taking to get out of town. Get out of town. So guys, we're just going to continue driving. I think I've got a few hours of driving before we get to the Caribbean. So if I see something, I'm just going to pull over and check it out, like a waterfall, something like that. If I stop in town, get a coffee, I'll show you guys a little town, wherever we end up. And hopefully by the end of this video, we end it in the Caribbean.
And we are now off back on Highway 4, heading towards the east. So again, this highway is north of San Jose. And if you're driving in Costa Rica, this is a great way to avoid the traffic in and out of San Jose. You can see here the road is super well paved, good speeds going along. I didn't encounter any traffic while I was driving along here. And there are many small towns that you'll pass through where you can find sodas, restaurants. Here we are rolling into one of the bigger towns along the way, Puerto Viejo de Serapique, I believe is how it's pronounced. This was a bigger town. They had a gas station, some supermarkets. You can see there's some traffic. Here's the main turn where you'll start heading more towards the south and Limón province. You can see a lot of more built up commercial area around here, some mechanic shops. And the road remains well paved. Now the sign off on the right there, you'll see it said Guapilles. That's where we're going to be heading. It was 40 kilometers after this sign. So the whole distance from La Fortuna to about this location was an hour and 15 minutes. So here we are heading more towards the south. Once again, the roads remain really well paved, easy driving out here, and it is pretty flat. So I didn't see many mountains or anything off in the distance, but not hitting traffic is awesome. Now, once you get down to the intersection between the road from San Jose and the road from the north, which was Highway 4, you end up on this road, Highway 32, and this highway was incredible. 2 lanes in both directions, divided highway. There were some obstructions in the road, but overall there was really no traffic. And this was a very enjoyable drive before we get to Guapilles.
All right, so we're going to do a pit stop right here in Guapilles, I think is how you say this place. So here's the highway we're driving on, this big overpass. This is where all these cars are coming from. This highway's been great, man. I got some footage of it. You guys saw. Really nice drive. 2-lane divided highway. No potholes. No traffic so far. Looking good. I've driven about 2 hours from La Fortuna. So I just stopped here. There's a mega super right here. Now, before this overpass, just maybe a couple kilometers back that way, there was a bunch of like fast food places, KFC. I think I saw Taco Bell, something like that. Just tantalizing. Just tempting me. But I saw the supermarket, so I stopped here to get me sody. What do we got? We got a McDonald's. So I think the actual town is more down in that way. I think it's more down on yonder. We got a big truck. We got a gas station here. Okay, cool. What's over here? So I'm not familiar with this area. This is the first time I've been here. Oh, there's a soda right there, so that's cool. So you'll come through here if you're coming from San Jose, I think. I think you'll come through this direction if you're coming from San Jose. So it's good to know. There's a little soda there. We decided to stop at a McDonald's, of course. So let's look at the highway, though. I want to look down. Man, it's looking good. So that's what it looks like. So I presume that, like, with the amount of, exports that go to the port in Limón, that's why this highway's got to be really robust and in good order. So let's continue the drive. It says we got about an hour and a half left until we get to Limón.
And continuing on towards the east, the road remains in really great divided condition. The pavement is great. There was really no potholes. There were some construction areas here and there, but by the time you drive through there, hopefully they'll be cleaned up. Now, this is rolling into Limón itself. So I filmed the entire drive heading into Limón. Now, according to the map, if you're heading to Puerto Viejo, which is a beach town further south, you'll drive actually down most of this road. So you can see there's a McDonald's right there on the left. So Limón is a really built up town. Lots more going on, lots more traffic, as you can see. So here's down towards the port area. This is after the turn to Puerto Viejo. So this is continuing further on towards the beach area in Limón itself. Here we are down in the central area of the beach. Off on the right side, there's actually a cruise ship that I didn't see when I was rolling in, but we will see that in a subsequent walking video. That was pretty cool to see. And off on the left, there's a big park for kids. So this is where you're going to want to watch out for potholes and ditches on the side of the road. I found that out the hard way. Hit some ditch on the side of the road and it caused some damage to my car. We'll see about that in the next video. So you can see here as well, just watch out for cars. Just watch out for cars. Never know what people are doing down here. And this road here was a little confusing. It seemed like it should have been one way, but it was a two-way street. So just watch for traffic coming along and make sure you're aware of where the gaps are. This road right here, you can see there's a lot of parking. And you can see a ditch down on there on the right. Those are the things that I should have been watching out for a little bit better. You can see now a car coming. So everybody's just being chill. Just take it easy. Don't try to rush it. And off on the right side is where we're going to pull in and stop. But again, over on the left, we're going to see that in a subsequent walking video. We'll see that area. The main commercial square is over there as well. All right, and we have arrived finally, guys, from the Pacific side of Costa Rica to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica. So this is the first time I've been here. I don't really know if this is like the main area, if this is a beach. Certainly not looking too beach-y in this spot, but we'll find some beaches. We'll find some nice beaches. We'll do a little walk around here first. This looks like, I don't know what that says. It looks like it's missing some letters. Got a Christmas decoration. There's an island off in the distance there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty funky. Let's go check out this park real quick. Big palm trees, man. Big palm trees. So it looks like there's vendors out. They got the free Wi-Fi here. The Z para todo. Let's go this way, I guess. I don't know. Where are we going? Where are we going? Let's go check over here. See what it looks like. See this big cathedral thing. Clean park. That's cool. They got like the road kind of painted. So I drove by, I believe, the commercial area, like the central commercial area. I think we'll go do a different tour down there, a different walking tour down there. I have to find it, of course. So this is nice. Big statue thing over there. Excellent. Cool. So there's like a park thing. It's nice. Let's check out some of this commercial area. These look like old buildings too. They look like very old buildings, indeed. Oh, there's a big, oh man, it's like a Christmas apple you can walk in. How exciting. So Limón, guys, I haven't been out here. I haven't even been to this coast. I think I drove since the last stop about an hour. So there's a cool little Christmas thing. Yeah, it was about an hour. Long drive to get out here, man. Long drive, I'll say. Oh, wow. That's cool. Look at this area. Nice. Central Limón, the municipality. So it's a really interesting building. Looks particularly old. And then there's a kids park over here. We'll just take a look at that in case you're bringing kids down. So it was about like, I want to say 10 minutes to drive in through Limón. Got a good video of that. Okay, so kids park, yep. Yep. Nice. Nice grass. So it looks like there's some, I don't know what that is. Maybe a marina over there or something. Looks interesting. Cool, so let's put the drone up and see what this
this coast looks like from the sky.
All right, welcome to the drone flight. So unfortunately, where we stopped there was an aerodrome because the nearby airport. So I drove a little bit to the north. So that's what we're seeing here. You can see some more pier action over there. The place where we stopped is kind of in the middle of the screen at the background there. That's more of the commercial area. So that's where there's an airport, evidently. You can't fly the drone around there. Now, if you're interested in what drone we were using for these videos, it's the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I get a lot of questions about that. The link is in the description below. You can check the pricing on it. It's come down lately. It's an older model. So here we are back looking towards the north. So you can see I'm not seeing too many beach areas for swimming. I'm sure it's great for fishing around here. And there's Limón itself, the whole town. You can see pretty incredible mountains off in the distance. I believe that's the Talamanca mountain, which bisects Costa Rica north to south. Very interesting place. I'll have to explore that more in the future. And here we are, just a closer shot of Limón. Very, very tightly packed town. Lots to see and do in there. And great climate.
All right, cool. So I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage from here in Limón at the coast. Interesting part of Costa Rica. Some more shots of that park. Very cool. Very cool. So guys, we're going to be doing some videos in this area. So if you want to see more of that, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave us a comment as always with your questions, feedback, requests for videos during the travels here in Costa Rica. And be sure to check the links in the description below for some of the stuff that I find useful and the playlist of this series, driving from the Pacific Coast to the Caribbean here. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.